Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. My dear viewers of Madani Channel, as we all know, there are many blessings and virtues upon reciting the Holy Quran. To look at the Quran, to touch the Quran, to kiss the Quran, to recite the Quran is all acts of reward. The Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam has stated, the one who recites one letter of the Book of Allah, Pak, he will get one good deed, which will be equivalent to 10 good deeds. I'm not saying that Alif, Lam, Mim is one letter. In fact, Alif is one letter, Lam is one letter, and Mim is one letter. But did we know there are certain stops in the Quran? Mim, this means that one must pause. You must pause recitation upon reaching this sign. Ta, better to pause. It is better to pause recitation. Jim, pause or continue. You can choose whether to pause or continue. Sad, better to continue. It is better to continue recitation. Zal, better to continue. Pausing is allowed, but it is better to continue. Lam, must continue. You must not pause here. So may Allah Azza wa Jal give us the true love for the Holy Quran, to build a relationship with the Quran and to recite the Quran daily, on a daily basis, so that inshallah Azza wa Jal, when we pass from this world, the Quran will intercede for us. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.